under the direction of Mr. Cody Leverett, along with staff members Sophia Trujillo for Color Guard, Calissa Labuga for Color Guard, and Esmeralda Muniz. Felipe Trevino for percussion, and Israel Rangel and Ian Flores is also for percussion. They are led down the street by drum major Marisol Mercado. Percussion leaders are Aiden Fuentes and Adrian Bugarin. They will be performing the Purple Carnival by Harry Alford. Please help me welcome the Pride of Livingston Marching Band, Color Guard, and Drumline.
Yeah, they just march with the band. That's what I said. I mean, it feels like that's how they want it. You know, they don't play in the band, they play in percussion. I'm like,
is there a percussion competition somewhere else?
I think so. There is.
Okay, so they're bringing their, okay. I've noticed there's been a bunch of drums that have been
not being played, folded up.
Folded, yeah. Oh. What happened?
They're all squatting like this because they look like a bunch of ninjas ready to attack.
Oh.
Let's hear one more time for the Pride of Livingston Marching Band, Color Guard, and Drumline.